Good day, students. Welcome back to our class. Today, we are going to have our grammar lesson. Please prepare the following materials: Reader's and Writer's Notebook, pen, and your English copybook. And for our objectives for today, identify the principal parts of regular verbs and use the principal parts of verbs correctly. Before we begin with our new lesson, let us first have a quick review of the lesson last week. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a word that joins words, phrases, or entire sentences. We have learned the three most common conjunctions: and, but, and or. We use and to join related ideas. Sample sentence: the snowy owl and snow bunting are Arctic birds. We use but to join contrasting ideas. Sample sentence: I like the snow but not the cold. And we use or to suggest a choice. Sample sentence: is that a ringed seal or a hooded seal? And now, are you all ready for our lesson of the day? Today, we are going to study about the principal parts of verbs. Verbs take different forms in order to indicate time. These forms of verbs are tenses. There are four principal parts of regular verbs: present, past, present participle, and past participle. Let's start discussing present. Present indicates action that happen over and over. Sample sentences: she talks about her plans. Gabriel waits for his signal. He laughs at his own misfortune. They ask many questions to the teacher. And lastly, the boys climb the tree to get apples. We use the base form of the verb to form the present tense of all persons and all numbers except third person singular. For the third person singular, we change the infinitive form, typically by adding s, es, or ies. The next one is past. Past indicates action that have happened in the past. The basic way to form the past tense in English is to take the present tense of the word and add the suffix ed. There are also instances that we only need to add d. For example, to turn the verb walk into the past tense, we add ed to form walked. Sample sentences: she talked about her plans. Gabriel waited for his signal. He laughed at his own misfortune. They asked many questions to the teacher. The boys climbed the tree to get apples. The next one is the present participle. Present participle indicates an action that is in process of being completed. Sample sentences. She is talking about her plans. Gabriel is waiting for his signal. He is laughing at his own misfortune. They are asking many questions to the teacher. The boys are climbing the tree to get apples. The present participle is formed by adding ing to the base form of a verb. For verbs ending with the letter E, eliminate the E before adding ing. If a verb is composed of one syllable, which ends with one vowel and a consonant letter, double the final consonant before adding ing. Remember to use a helping verb before the verb. And lastly, past participle. Past participle indicates action that are completed in the past. Sample sentences. She had talked about her plans. Gabriel has waited for his signal. He had laughed at his own misfortune. They have asked many questions to the teacher. The boys have climbed the tree to get apples. To form the past participle of most regular verbs in English, we simply add the suffix ed to the base form of the verb. The principal parts of regular verbs. We have present, which is the most basic form of the verb. Example, the verb save. We have present participle, a helping verb am, is, are, was, or were, plus the verb with ing ending. Example, am saving. Past, it's a verb with ed ending. Example, saved. And past participle, it has helping verb have, has, or had, plus verb with ed ending. Example, have saved. Let us remember, a regular verb forms its past and past participle by adding ed or d to the present form. Have a look at this table. First column shows the verbs and its base form. The second column shows its simple past forms. And the third column shows the past participle of the given verbs. And now, it's time to answer our book. Please open your Readers and Writers notebook and answer page 192. Please pause this video and take time to answer. Have a look at your answers. I hope you got them all correct. Good job! Now, it's time to wrap up the lesson. The present and the past forms can be used by themselves as verbs. Present, I always order from Pizza Hut. Present indicates action that happens over and over. It uses no helping verbs. Past, I ordered from Pizza Hut. Past indicates action that happened in the past. It uses no helping verbs. The present participle and the past participle are always used with a helping verb. Present participle. He is ordering from Pizza Hut. Present participle indicates action in process of being completed. It uses helping verbs am, is, and are. Past participle. He had ordered from Pizza Hut. Past participle indicates action completed in the past. It uses helping verbs has, have, and had. For your homework, please answer Reader's and Writer's Notebook on page 236. That's it for now, and I'll see you all again next time for our next class. Have a great day, everyone.